Hey, what is up everyone? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset, also known as hard reset, your Samsung Chromebook Plus. This video should help you if you want to erase everything on your Chromebook Plus back to its original factory condition. So it will completely wipe everything and erase everything out of it. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on this bottom right bar right here. And then we're going to click on the settings tab right here. Okay, once we're in settings, we're going to select up here where it says search settings. And we're going to type in power. Okay, so you're going to get these two options. Oops, power. You're going to get these two options down here, these two reset options. Okay, we're going to select this one right here, the second one, which is power wash. It says remove all user accounts and reset your Google Chrome device to be just like new. So this is the one we're going to select. And then it says a restart is required before your device can be reset with power wash. So let's go ahead and restart. Okay, so here it gives us the options here. Reset this Chrome device. Okay, so here we're just going to select power wash. And then select continue. Okay, so now it says power wash in progress. We're going to give it a couple minutes to let it finish doing the reset. All right, so actually that just took a few seconds. I guess since I didn't have much in the laptop memory and the storage, it was a quick reset. So that's how you factory reset your Samsung Chromebook Plus. All right, guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Remember, click on the subscribe button down below and on the bell to receive notifications on future videos. So we're going to be doing a giveaway when we get to 100,000 subscribers of a brand new smartphone of your choice. So stick around, guys. Till next time, peace. Ciao.